splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? He looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go bajnola mow. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me. Best party ever. Oh no! Kitty woke up feeling weird, hunter. Something's wrong, I'm a bit feared. She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boom! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dina runs in with Dr. Bad, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
Kitty, you've come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance. Yes, health is a grand victory. Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Morning fun goes dark and slow. No kakaboda in a row. Minimal sleeping everywhere. Everyone who's not there. Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, beep, beep. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Beak opens. He shakes his head, tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cock-a-doodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try. No cock-a-doodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he ate feed. She laughs, oh I see the case. Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle. Morning sound is on the track. Animals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light.
I feel so down.
Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. Now cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Beak opens. He shakes his head, tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meep. Morning sound is on the track. Meep. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack in his teeth today. Oh no, what's the way? Help, what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite. Wet, even grass feels not right. He shakes his head, I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes looks all the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Can't tell, beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! moving slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind ripped dress went everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, back never starts. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Coach just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cue it, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters want to play